Welcome students, myself Pooja Mehta. In this math session of class 4, lesson 2, long and short. So from heading you come to know it's all about long, short, near, far, length and distance. We will learn all these things in this lesson. Here we start lesson number 2, long and short. How far apart are the dots? Apart means dots are at some distance. They are not joined. So we call it apart. Here so many dots are given. They are not joined. They are at some distance. वो एक दूसरे से दूरी पे है. That we can call it apart. Guess the distance between any two dots. How many centimeters is it? पहले हमको गैस करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल गैस अबाउट दिस डॉट ए एंड बी. फर्स्ट आई विल मेक लाइन सेगमेंट एंड आई एम गैसिंग इट इज़ 2.5 सेंटीमीटर. नेक्स्ट, नाउ मेजर इट विथ द हेल्प ऑफ स्केल. ये डॉट को आपको ज्वाइन करना है और आपको स्केल से मेजर करना है. मैंने जब ड्रॉ करके स्केल से मेजर किया था उसका मेजरमेंट आया था 3 सेंटीमीटर, पर मैंने रफली गैस किया था 2.5 सेंटीमीटर. सो माई गैसिंग इज रॉन्ग हियर. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन? डिस्टेंस बिटवीन डॉट ए एंड बी आई गैस इज 2.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड एज पर स्केल मेजरमेंट it is 3 centimeter. Okay, next question. Which two dots you think are farthest from each other? In English you have learned degree of comparison, good, better, best. Then far, farther, farthest. In this way, farthest means सबसे दूर. जो भी डॉट्स हमको यहाँ पर दिए उसमें सबसे फारदेस्ट, सबसे दूर कौन से डॉट्स है, कौन से टू डॉट्स है जो सबसे फार है. सो आई गैस ओ एंड एम. विच डॉट्स आर फारदेस्ट फ्रॉम ईच अदर? सो दे आर डॉट्स ओ एंड एम. डॉट्स ओ एंड एम आर द फारदेस्ट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच टू डॉट्स are the nearest to each other? Check your answers. Which two dots are near, very near? When we draw a line segment उसका measurement सबसे small आएगा, so that means they are very near. I guess dot A and D, they are near to each other. Okay, next, the shorter line. The topic is the shorter line. You know, shorter means small one, longer means long. Akbar was a famous king. He had a smart minister called Birbal. Once Akbar gave him difficult question. He drew a line on the floor. Okay, you all know many stories about Akbar and Birbal. From that, one example is there. I'll explain you in short. One day Akbar asked Birbal what Akbar did. He drew a line on the floor and told Birbal to make my line shorter without erasing it. मैंने जो लाइन ड्रॉ कर रही है उसको आपको शॉर्ट बनानी है पर उसको इरेज करना नहीं है. यहाँ पर बिरबल ने क्या किया? He was very smart. He was very intelligent. What he did? Birbal made Akbar's line shorter by drawing a longer line than that of Akbar's line. ये जो अकबर ने लाइन ड्रॉ की थी, बिरबल ने उससे, ये जो अकबर ने लाइन ड्रॉ की है, बिरबल ने उससे थोड़ी लॉन्ग लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी और विदाउट इरेजिंग अकबर्स लाइन बिरबल ने लॉन्ग लाइन ड्रॉ कर ली. So, next question. Now, can you be as smart as Birbal? Make this line shorter without erasing it. Just think, is there any longest line? अब अकबर की लाइन को स्मॉल बिरबल ने की. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू मेक बिरबल्स लाइन स्मॉल, और आपको लॉन्ग लाइन करनी है, उसकी स्मॉल करनी है. तो आप इरेज किए भी ना, तो आप उसकी लाइन को स्मॉल कैसे कर सकते हो, आप उससे थोड़ी लॉन्ग लाइन ड्रॉ कर दो. आप भी अकबर की बिरबल की तरह स्मार्ट बन जाओ और आप भी अपना ब्रेन यूज़ करो. विदाउट इरेजिंग आपने बिरबल की लाइन भी शॉर्ट कर दी. सो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज yes. Yes, I can be as smart as Birbal. I can make Birbal's line shorter without erasing it by drawing a line longer than his. Next, there is no longest line, as we can make any line look shorter by drawing longer line in front of it. हम किसी भी लाइन को स्मॉल बना सकते हैं उससे लॉन्ग लाइन ड्रॉ करके. नेक्स्ट, ट्राई दिस. मेक हर राइट आर्म 1 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्गर देन लेफ्ट आर्म. हियर इज़ अ वन गर्ल. उसकी लेफ्ट आर्म, उसकी जो लेफ्ट आर्म है, मैंने उसको स्केल से मेजर किया. सो इट वाज अबाउट 2 सेंटीमीटर. उसकी लेफ्ट आर्म 2 सेंटीमीटर की है. See, it is of 2 centimeter. What they have told, you have to make her right arm 1 centimeter longer. So ये 2 की है, उसके अंदर +1 करेंगे. So what we will get, 3 centimeter. So you have to draw right arm 3 centimeter long. This you have to do by yourself. Okay, got it? Next, draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. The cup given here, its length as per my measurement guessing, it is 3 centimeter long. What you have to do, you have to draw one more cup next to it, and that is 2 centimeter, I mean 1 centimeter short than this. ये हमारा कितने सेंटीमीटर का है, 3 सेंटीमीटर. What you have to do, you have to minus 1 centimeter from it. So what you will get, 2 centimeter. So you have to draw 2 centimeter long cup next to it. Next, draw a broom half as long as this broom. Here one broom is given. As per my guessing, its length is 4 centimeter. Its length is 4 centimeter. What you have to do, you have to draw one more broom and it's half of this broom. यानी ये broom से half हमको करना है. So what is the half of 4? What we do, divide 4 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So what will be the half of 2? Half of 4 is 2 centimeter. Half of 4 is 2 centimeter. Half of 4 is 2 centimeter. So we have to draw a slipping line of 2 centimeter and we have to make broom of half size of the given broom. Next, draw another hair of double the length. Here one man is given, he is having only one hair. You have to draw his other hair, and that hair is double of the given size. What I have guessed, here I guess the length of his hair is 1 centimeter. The given hair is of 1 centimeter. What I have to do is, I have to draw one more hair on his head, that is double of 1 centimeter. What is double of 1 centimeter? 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 centimeter. So I will draw hair of 2 centimeter on his head. So you understand, when it is said double, when there is a word double, you have to do multiply. When they told make half of it, you have to divide it by 2, and when it is double you have to multiply it by 2. Understood? Okay, fine. Next, it is our topic, how tall have you grown? So every year your height increases, you grow tall and tall and tall. You all don't remain of same size. What was your height in first standard that is same in this year? No. Every year you increase. Every year you become tall by some centimeters. Let's see. Do you remember that in class 3 you measured your height? Every year we used to measure your height in the school, right? P ma'am or P sir used to take your heights and weight. So on that basis, what you have to do? In your diary you are having your heights and weight. From there you have to write your answer here. It is as per my guessing I am writing here, but you can write by your own. Yes, I remember that in class 3 I measured my height 49 centimeter like this. Okay. Do you think you have grown taller? आप उतने के उतने रहे हो? क्या आपकी हाइट ग्रो हुई है? आप टॉल हुए हो ना? Yes. So what you will write? Yes, I have grown taller by 4 centimeter. लास्ट ईयर से ये ईयर आपकी हाइट कितनी बढ़ गई? 4 centimeter. Have your friends also grown taller? Obvious. जैसे जैसे आपकी हाइट बढ़ी है आपके फ्रेंड्स की भी हाइट बढ़ती होंगी, वो लोग भी टॉल होते होंगे, राइट? नेक्स्ट, फाइंड आउट एंड फिल द टेबल्स. सी इन दिस टेबल वॉट एवर आई हैव रिटन it is as per my guessing, as per my knowledge. You can write it by yourself. यहाँ पर आप अपने मेजरमेंट लिख के, अपने फ्रेंड्स के नाम लिख के भी ये टेबल कंप्लीट कर सकते हो. ओके, व्हाट आई हैव टेकन? हेनिल. लास्ट ईयर हाइट्स इन सेंटीमीटर. सो आई हैव रिटन इज 1 meter 4 centimeter, but here it is mentioned in centimeter. So I have to convert this 1 meter 4 centimeter into centimeter. That we have learned to convert meter into centimeter in 3rd standard. We have to follow it. 1 meter 4 centimeter is equal to 1 multiplied by 100 plus 4 centimeter is equal to 100 centimeter plus 4 centimeter is equal to 104 centimeter. So what is the height of Anil is 104 centimeter. Same here, this year's height is 107 centimeter. How many centimeter have they grown? मतलब लास्ट ईयर और इस ईयर के हाइट के बीच में उसका कितना गैप है, कितना सेंटीमीटर बढ़ा, ये तो टोटल हाइट है, पर उसमें कितने सेंटीमीटर उसका इंक्रीज हुआ, दैट वी हैव टू डू. सो ऑलवेज वी यूज टू सब्ट्रैक्ट हायर नंबर फ्रॉम द स्मॉलर नंबर. जो ज़्यादा होता है उसमें से हम कम नंबर माइनस करते हैं. कभी भी स्मॉल नंबर में से हम बिग नंबर कट कर सकते नहीं हैं. ऑलवेज बिग नंबर में से ही हम स्मॉल नंबर को कट करते हैं. सो ज़्यादा हाइट कौन सी है? 1 meter 7 centimeter. उसमें से हमने 1 meter 4 centimeter माइनस कर दिया. सो क्या आंसर आएगा? 3 centimeter. हियर 4 के बाद 5 6 7. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? 3 centimeter. That I have written it here. Okay, next I have written name रानी. रानी की लास्ट ईयर की हाइट थी 90 centimeter. This year her height is 94 centimeter. You all can count it easily. This year it is 94 centimeter. Last year it was 90 centimeter. 4. So more on the top. No need to stop. 9 minus 9, 0. So how much height increased? So she grown by 4 centimeter. Okay. Jhumpa once read a list of tallest people in the world. One of them was 272 centimeter tall. That is just double of Jhumpa's height. How tall is Jhumpa? So here height of this tall person is 272 centimeter. The height of this person is double than Jhumpa's height. So he is double than Jhumpa's height. He is double than Jhumpa's height. I have told you in the beginning, when there is asked double, we have to multiply. But mind it well, here they have not given us Jhumpa's height. That we have to find. So what we are having here is the height of the tallest person is 272 centimeter, which is double of Jhumpa's height. That means we have to find Jhumpa's height, which is double of Jhumpa's height, and double of is it height of the tallest person, that is 272 centimeter. We have to find Jhumpa's height, so we will divide 272 by 2 because we have to find Jhumpa's height. So here we will do division of 272 divided by 2 because that person is double of Jhumpa's height. यानी जो पर्सन है उसकी हाइट का हम हाफ करेंगे तो हमको जुम्पा की हाइट मिलेगी. 2 1 ज़ा 2, 2 2 कट 0, 7 here, 2 3 ज़ा 6. We will cut 6 from 7, we will get 1. These 2 down, 2 6 ज़ा 12. So what is the height of Jhumpa? 136 centimeter. Just check this. When we divide this 272 by 2, we will get 136 centimeter. Once we will cross check it. What is Jhumpa's height? 136. Double of her height is the height of that person. So we will multiply 136 by 2. 2 6 are 12. Carry 1. 3 2 are 6. 7. 2 1 are 2. So we got the answer 272. That means we are right for the calculation of Jhumpa's height is 136 centimeter. Why we divided it by 2? Because इसकी height इससे double थी इसलिए. Okay, next. Could that person pass through the door of your classroom without bending? I guess the height of my door is 230 centimeter. The door is of 230 centimeter and the height of that person is 272. The height is more than the height of this door. The height of the person is more than the height of the door. So that person cannot enter inside, he has to bend down. We will read out the answer. He cannot pass through the door without bending, as I guess the height of door is 230 centimeter. Next. Will his head touch the roof of your house if he stands straight? Of course, yes. As we understood, the height of the gate is, the door is small and the height of that person is long. So he will touch the height of the house. So the answer is yes, his head will touch the roof of my house if he stands straight. Next, the long and short of your family. Here the answers are as per my guessing. You can write answer as per your family. Who is tallest in your family? My father is tallest in my family, obviously. Then, who is shortest in your family? Maybe you are the shortest in your family, or your younger brother or sister can be shorter in the family. You can write it accordingly. What is difference between their heights? The whatever height you will write here, and what is the height of your brother, sister or yours, that you have to minus it from your father's height. Suppose your father's height is 160 centimeter and yours height is suppose 100 centimeter. 0 0 cut. If we will cut 0 from 6, the answer is 6. 1 1 cut 0. So what is the difference between your father and your height? आपके फादर और आपकी हाइट के बीच में कितने सेंटीमीटर का डिफरेंस है? 60 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, नेक्स्ट, इंटर स्कूल स्पोर्ट्स मीट. दिस इज 100 मीटर रेस फॉर गर्ल्स. Arundhati is nearest the finishing line. She is about 6 meters from it. This is the race. Arundhati is a girl. She is about to reach the finishing line and she is just 6 meters away from the finishing line. Next, behind her is Rihanna. There is Rihanna behind Arundhati. She is Arundhati and this is Rihanna. So what is given? Konkana and Uma are running behind Rihanna. So Konkana and Uma are behind Rihanna. Who are this? Konkana and Uma. So on basis of this we will answer these questions. How far is Rihanna from Arundhati? That we can see easily. See, this is 6 meter distance, but this distance is less than this. So this is greater distance, this is less than this. We have to check the answers from these options only. So the distance between Rihanna and Arundhati is less than 6 meters, so that is 3 meter. So Rihanna is 3 meter from Arundhati. This is 3 meter. How far ahead is Rihanna from Konkana and Uma? These are Konkana and Uma. This distance and this distance is almost same. So I guess this is 6 meter and this is also 6 meter. Why this? Because we have to select these answers from the above options only. So 6 meter, 3 meter and again 6 meter. So Rihanna is 6 meter from Konkana and Uma. How far Konkana and Uma from finishing line? As we have seen, so Arundhati 6 meter, Rihanna 3 meter, Uma and Konkana is again 6 meter. So they have to cover how much distance to reach here. We have to do totaling of this. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 6, we will get 15 meter. We will check it here. So the distance of this Arundhati and finishing line is 6 meter. Rihanna and Arundhati is 3 meter. Distance between Uma and Rihanna is again 6 meter. So total is 15 centimeter. Konkana and Uma are 15 meters from the finishing line. Next, Have you heard about 1500 meter or 3000 meter race? You remember that 1000 meters make 1 kilometer and 500 meters make half a kilometer. So in third standard we have learned formulas for conversion, that is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and half of 1000 meter is 500 meter. On basis of that conversion we have to convert the following that we have learnt last year. On basis of that we have to convert this 1500 meter into kilometer. Let's see the steps. First we will write the formula. Then what we have to do? We have to divide this 1500 by 1000. So what we will write? The same number. Divide by 1000. How many zeros are in 1000? 3. We will put decimal point. This is our kilometer and this is our meter. So on that basis we have to do this sum. Convert the following we have learnt in the third standard. Same way, in 3000 meter race people run how much kilometer? Again same way we have to convert the following. Again for that we have to open this and check it out. What we have to do? First we will write formula, then divide 3000 by 1000. What we used to do? How many zeros? 3 zeros. So we will write the same number. जितने ज़ीरो है उसके आगे हम डेसिमल पॉइंट लगा देंगे. आगे वाले हमारे किलोमीटर एंड पीछे वाले मीटर. सो आंसर इज 3 किलोमीटर. अंडरस्टूड? नेक्स्ट, have you heard about marathon races in which people have to run about 40 kilometers? मैराथन रेसेस में 40 किलोमीटर रन करना पड़ता है. People run marathon on roads because the track of a stadium is only 400 meter. जो भी स्टेडियम होता है उसमें 400 मीटर ही कवर कर पाते हैं, इसलिए जनरली मैराथन ऑन द रोड होती है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 10 राउंड्स ऑफ अ स्टेडियम ट्रैक इज इक्वल टू डैश किलोमीटर. ओके, एक राउंड लगाएंगे ट्रैक के, हम ट्रैक में एक राउंड लगाएंगे तो कितना मीटर कवर होगा? 400 मीटर. अब वैसे हम 10 राउंड्स लगाएंगे, अगर वैसे हम 10 राउंड्स लगाएंगे तो 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 400 मीटर, सो 4000 मीटर. पर यहाँ पर हमको किलोमीटर में आंसर पूछा है, तो ये 4000 मीटर में से हम किलोमीटर बनाएंगे, उसको 1000 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो आंसर इज 4 किलोमीटर. नेक्स्ट, so if you run marathon on stadium track you will have to complete 100 rounds. अब ये आंसर कैसे है that I will explain you. टोटल लेंथ ऑफ मैराथन रेस 40 किलोमीटर. कन्वर्ट की फॉर्मूला है 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर. अगर हम 40 किलोमीटर का मीटर करेंगे तो हमारे हो जाएंगे 40,000 मीटर. डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन 1 राउंड ऑफ अ स्टेडियम इज़ 400 मीटर. अगर हम एक राउंड लगाते हैं तो 400 मीटर कवर होता है. हमको कितना कवर करना है? 40,000 मीटर कवर करना है. ओके, अब एक राउंड लगाएंगे तो 400 मीटर होता है, तो 40,000 के लिए कितना होगा? 400 वन ज़ा 400, देन 0 0, यानी हमको 100 राउंड लगाएंगे. अगर हम इफ़ वी विल do 100 rounds of stadium, then only we can complete 40 kilometers for the marathon race. Okay students, thank you. We will meet in next episode. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe.